Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
At the beating heart of New Jersey, the juvenile joust unfolded with the Crickmax Crushers locking horns against the Das Dominators. A spirited under-15 clash that promised to be a tale of youthful exuberance and strategic masterclass.
Under the gaze of an expectant sky, the pristine green became the Colosseum for gladiators not yet men. Today, potential met performance as the Crushers and Dominators sketched a story bound by dreams and delivered by determination.
In the cauldron of competition, the Crushers, winning the toss, chose to wield the willow first. Their innings weaved a tapestry of resilience, ending on a hard-fought 213 for 6, setting a stage for a compelling chase.
The Dominators, in response, encountered a tumultuous voyage. Their ship steadied by Sunil and Kaswala, yet capsized by Patel's devastating bowling, a chase riddled with twists and turns but ultimately falling short at 186 all out.
Calais crafted 58 and Singla's ballistic 51 were the twin towers around which the Crushers built their citadel. The duo's 76-run stand proving to be the cornerstone, while the Dominators Patel and Narayanan clawed back with crucial strikes.
A tale of two tempos, as the Crushers oscillated between consolidation and aggression. The Dominators' bowlers spun a web of dot balls but leaked extras, a chink in their armor that widened the gap between intent and execution.
The chase was a challenge that mesmerized and maddened. Sunil's valiant 54 kept the Dominators in the hunt, but as wickets tumbled, the dream faded. Patel's triple strike was the final nail, ensuring the dominion of the Crushers.
Dominators' batsmen embarked on a spirited chase, crafting an 89-run partnership, yet the tail could not wag. Patel, with his miserly 3 for 7, and Bhandari's crucial doubles, ensured the Dominators' quest for glory was effectively quelled.
Calais' steady blade and Patel's cunning craft stood tall. Their heroics not only added might to the score but also snatched the game away, proving decisive in forging a victory.
Sunil's brisk 50 was the flicker of hope for the Dominators, but Patel's spellbinding spell and Calais' anchoring innings for the Crushers were the fulcrums on which the match tilted irrevocably.
And thus, the Crickmax Crushers emerged victorious by 27 runs, their blend of staunch batting and incisive bowling writing the epilogue of this joust. The jubilation of triumph, a testament to their tenacity and tactical nous.
Indeed, a win to savor for the Crushers, a result that will echo in their confidence. For the Dominators, a lesson in harnessing the highs and learning from the lows, both teams leaving an indelible mark on the verdant field of battle. Like a scene from The Sandlot, young greens soared and dived today. The Crushers and Dominators painted a canvas vibrant with valiant attempts and strategic saga, laying the groundwork for their future in this beautiful game.
As the dusk settles on New Jersey's hub, the Crushers' triumph is etched in the annals of this juvenile joust. Their on-field saga, brimming with potential, augurs well for their cricketing odyssey ahead, a narrative of ascent just beginning to unfold.